Alright, looking at the Georgia General Code Assembly, Title 46, Chapter 2, Public Service Commission, Chapter 2, Public Service Commission, no, Chapter 4, Distribution Sales, and Chapter 4, Distribution, Storage, and Sales of Gas. Article 2, Intrastate Pipeline Distribution Systems, 46420. Alright, 46420. Person defined use of the article of the term person means of the corporation, public or private, the company, the individual, firm, partnership, and association. Alright, 46421. Serve the public conveyance with the necessity required for the person constructing the operating gas pipeline with distribution system for the transport, distribution, sale of gas distribution system operation before February 17, 1950 with the Jurisdiction Commission with generally. No person shall construct the operator with the Interstate Commission with the sale with any pipeline the distribution system with the extension thereof of the transportation, distribution, sale of the natural manufactured gas, first retaining with the Commission certificate that the public conveyance with the necessity required for the construction operation. In addition, no person shall sell natural or manufactured gas for such pipeline acquiring ownership of the controller of such pipeline distribution system whether directly or indirectly without obtaining with the Commission with a certificate of public conveyance with the necessity. The article should be true with the acquired gas distribution should cover the certificate with the extension within a municipality within which such gas distribution system lawfully commenced operation prior to February 17, 1956, and with extension with or to the territory already served by such gas distribution extension with the necessary with the ordinary course of the business and substitute with the facility within any of the municipality territory already served by the gas distribution system for the extension in the territory contingent with the already served with the gas distribution system not receiving similar certificates from any other such person with no certificate of public conveyance with the necessity has been issued, applied for any other person conveying such territory to distribution, sale with the interstate with the commerce with the all gas line pipeline shall be took with the regulation, jurisdiction with the commission, or respects included but not limited to the rate, charges, rules, regulations, service finding with accountings and such other matters, including privately owned gas, public utility distribution systems are subject with the regulation, jurisdiction of the commission. Alright, 46.422, determination of the commission made with the former application certificate of public conveyance with the necessity to give the notice of the receipt of the application made with the form of the application for a certificate of public conveyance with the necessity to provide in code section 464.21 shall be published, established by such rules, regulations of the commission with the time prescribed upon receipt of such application of the commission shall be the notice of the have been given the personal certificates mailed to the chief executive office of the municipality affected and to any person serving the territory affected with the child purpose of such notice 1 week for 3 consecutive weeks in such a newspaper general circulation in each territory affected. For 46.423, Power Commission for the issue of the denied certificate. Commission shall have the power for the after hearing issue for the certificate power public conveyance necessity prayed for and refused issue for the same with the issue for the construction operation acquisition portion of the only to the attempted pipeline distribution system or with the extension thereof. Alright, 46.424, application certificate, the person that gave the construction operation gas pipeline the distribution system extension thereof as of February 17, 1956. A. Any person that gave the construction of the operation of any pipeline distribution system for the extension of the year of February 17, 1956 should be entitled to receive certificate of public conveyance with the necessity of the commission authorizing the person to continue construction of the operation of such pipeline distribution system for the extension thereof of the territory have been served with that of the person on February 17, 1956. If by February 17, 1957, the person filed maps for the commission showing the territory being served by the person. B. The pursuant with the subsection A of the code section, more than one person filed with the maps and indicating the same with service of the same term of the commission shall have the hearing control with the given the reasonable notice interest person with the determined such with the evidence that may be the reasonable requirement of the person should be entitled certificate of public advance, even the necessity of making the determination commission shall be considered the ability to the such person here there furnished thereof with a responsible adequate of the territory in question. See pending with a grant certificate provided with the code section. Person applying with a certificate under the code section may be lawfully continue with the construction operation, pipeline distribution, or any extension thereof with the territory being served with such person as in February 17, 1956. Alright, 46.4.25 factors to be considered by the Commission with the granting certificates. A, with the determined the certificate of public advantage with the necessary with the grant with the Commission must consider with the following: with existing gas pipeline and distribution system with the adequate to meet with the reasonable public needs. 2, with the volume of the demand such gas with the weather such with the demand reasonably anticipated with the future can support readily with the existing gas pipeline and distribution system if any with the pipeline distribution system approved by applicant. 3, financial ability with the applicant to furnish the adequate continuous services with the meet financial obligation with the services which applicants apply as purpose of the form. Adequacy supply of the gas to serve the public. Economic feasibility of the pipeline distribution priority engineering contracting the expense. Final chart of the costs connected with the pipeline distribution system with effect with the existing revenue with the service of the pipeline distribution system, particularly over the granting of the certificate will be made seriously impaired with existing public service. B, for the code section to be constructed exhaustive with the describing all factors with the Commission may be considered the decision with the grant and the denied certificate. If the application C for the certificate of public advantage with the necessity authorizing the applicant with the gas pipeline, the distribution system of the municipality, corporation, public, the Commission shall consider whether the purchase of the price reasonable over the light with the present value of the system required with the issue of the Commission certificate of public conveyancy. Necessity authorized with the for the acquisition term of the Commission, among other things, the purchase price of the measure of the value of the system be included in the applicant's rate base for the rate making purposes, subject to the depreciation thereafter allowed upon such system. Alright, 46.4.26, filing with the Commission with a complaint regarding the person operating without certificate C with the assist of the order by Commission here under the final order of the Commission. Any person engaged with the engine, engaged with the construction, operation, acquisition of the gas pipe, with the distribution, extension of the air, security with the certificate of public conveyance with the necessarily required for the article. Any interested person may file with a complaint with the Commission may with or without notice of the make required with the person complained to with the succeeds with the construction operation acquisition to the Commission make with the file with the decision on set of the complaint until the further order of the Commission may ask for the hearing conduct after reasonable notice of the make such order prescribed with the cost term with the condition and with the perspective of the manner just reasonable. Alright, 46.4.27, unreasonable interference with existing pipeline distribution services or services provided by the person constructing extending pipeline with a distribution system. If any person constructing extending with his pipeline distribution system unreasonably interfere with is about with the interfere usually unreasonably with any of the pipeline distribution services of any other person. Commission over the own issue of the complaint over any of the person claiming to be injuriously affected with the ban after hearing conducted with a reasonable notice, make such order prescribed with the term of condition with the respect of the manner as just reasonable. Alright, 46.4.28, suspension, revocation, alteration, amendment of the certificate of Commission A, with the time with the notice of the opportunity heard with the reasonable call with the Commission with the may suspend with the revoked after amendment with any certificate of the article with the appear with the holder with the certificate willfully. 5, violated, refused to observe the lawful with a reasonable order, rules, regulation prescribed by the Commission with the other laws with the state of the result of the pipeline distribution system, or in the opinion of the Commission, with the holder certificate is not furnishing adequate service or if the continuance of the certificate is original form of the incompatible with the public interest. A1. So any certificate issued for the article should be revoked with amendment with the Commission with the application with the Commission person with the provided with the natural gas specified in you with the customer of the property owner developer the requirement of the natural gas service if the holder of the certificate has failed with the begin with the construction operation pipeline distribution extension thereof substantially with the territory covered with such certificate. Once a person has failed with such application of the portion certificate of the territory and with the application sick with the provided natural gas given to the specified end of the customer and property owner developer shall deem revoked with amended with the Commission shall determine the applicant should be entitled with the certificate of the territory has excluded with the form of the certificate revocation amendment whether such territory shall be issued for the person held the certificate at the time of the application whether the territory shall be deemed appreciated Commission shall make sure that such determination within 90 days of the application shall include the issue of the factors set forth in subsection A, code section 46.4.5, where the application can and offer serve the timely manner, some of the other factors of the Commission deemed for the public interest for the Commission, determine whether the reissue of the certificate, person with the certificate held the certificate at the time of the application shall consider the length of the time certificate was held without service being provided. The newly certified shall design with the Commission to serve the customer and property owner for the developer. Question will ensure the boundary of the safety and public welfare is focus. B. If one of the Commission undertake with a revoke with a modify any certificate with the ground of the condition such as is not justified with the number of certificates which are granted within the territory involved, preference shall be given the certificate in order of the time of their issuance, so that they have been issued within the time shall the other things be equal, that can be cancelled rather than those issued earlier in the time. Alright, 46.4.29, transfer and hypothetication of certificates. A certificate of public conveyance, if it is necessary, issued within this article may be transferred and hypotheticated only upon application to and approval by the Commission. Alright, 46.4.30, jurisdiction of the Commission over the controversy of the extension of the gas distributions for the fact of the concern by Commission as a result of the controversy. When a certificate of public conveyance and necessity has been issued for the gas distribution, so the controversy arises over the extension overs of the certificate of the not be made with the territory included with the certificate. The Commission shall be the jurisdiction will determine whether such extension shall be made until it is upon the term of the making the determination. Commission shall consider the economic feasibility of the particular extension and the supply of the gas available thereof. The code section shall not apply with the extension of the gas distribution system municipalities, counties of the state. Alright, 46.4.31, adoption by the Commission of the rules over the enforcing article. Commission is authorized to adopt the rules of the order of the deemed necessary for the enforcement of the article, limiting the authority over the adopt the rules or orders in general of the Commission of the rules or orders for the determining the location territory that to be served, but also volumes of the gas if it's sold for the pipelines directly for the consumer. The Commission may also define the territory of the contingency to the others. Alright, 46.4.32, for the applicability of required liquid petroleum gas sold with a liquid form under pressure, and nothing in the serve of the construed will apply with liquid petroleum gas sold with a liquid form under pressure. Alright, 46.4.33, applicability of specific requirements under the article, general and nothing will stand with any statute with the ordinance for the contrary requirement of the article, certificate of public conveyance if it is necessary to apply each of every individual, every firm in the corporation, public, private, accepting municipal corporation, counties of the state. 46.4.34, injunction. In addition, with the civil and monetary penalty provided with the Code Section 46.4.35 of the Commission brings civil action to a violation of the provision article of the rule regulation order to issue for the Commission over this article for the order to obtain equitable relief. The Commission shall be not required to allege and provide that there is no adequate remedy at law. Alright, 46.4.35, civil penalty. Any person who violates any of the provision of the article, any rule regulation issued for the Commission of the article shall be subject to the civil penalty not more than $1,000 for each day that such violation pursuant to the provided with the maximum civil penalty shall not exceed $200,000 for any related series of the violation. A civil penalty under Section 8 of the Code Section imposed with the Commission, but then only after notice hearing with the determined amount of the people penalty with the Commission considered with the side of the business charge, gravity of violation, good faith if the person charged attempting to achieve the compliance with the notice of violation. The amount of such penalty may be collected by the Commission in the manner provided with the Code Section 911 and 69, enforcement money judgments. Alright, and that was Article 4, Municipal. That was Article 2, Intrastate Pipeline Distribution Systems.